Hi, Anne. How are you doing?
Actually, very good. How are you?
Pretty good, thank you. Can you please show me how to run ComfyUI in Remango environment?
Absolutely. It's pretty simple. So once you are logged in Remango, you as a user or admin, you can click here, workplaces, which are like the workplaces where your ComfyUI is running. You click add workplace, and then you can select from region. So currently we have like the Frankfurt, but they might be like the US, there might be Asia regions, Australia, just around the planet, I would say. So I select the Frankfurt, then I select like the ComfyUI or invoke template. I name it, and then I select the machine type. I can select some, let's say, medium one. So because I'm just planning to generate some images, for example,
Mm-hmm.
and with 8 vCPUs, 32 gigs of memory, and let's say 1 terabyte disk because I'm just going to create a lot of art, which needs to be stored somewhere temporarily. So if I click create, the machine is created, and then I can connect to it, to
Mm-hmm.
the actual ComfyUI environment. So I click connect, it gets launched directly into your like ComfyUI as you know it, and once you are here, you are ready to generate your images from your workflows.
Okay, pretty easy.
Yeah.
Uh, by the way, you said that you selected the medium instance. Like, is there a possibility to change it later? So, for example, I don't want to generate images anymore, but I want to create some 3D models or videos, and I need more VRAM. Can I do something with it?
Yeah, absolutely. There are settings of the machine, and you can just switch power of the machine on the go. So it means that now I generated an images, but now I'm going to generate the videos. So I will select like the super beast one, like with 48 gigs of VRAM, and yeah, I save it and I go. So my machine is upgraded in second.
Okay, and does it mean that actually all the configuration, all the Python versions, custom nodes are actually staying on the machine, or do I have to install everything from scratch?
Absolutely not. So it's launched from the template. So it means that you can have like the multiple versions of multiple like the settings, environments, with a config version this or that, with the Python, with the custom nodes you are using for the particular project, for example. So it's templatized.
Okay, awesome. And let's say that I have my favorite, set of workflows, and I would like to share them with my colleagues, with my team. Can I do it somehow? But actually make it work because usually if I'm doing it right now, it just like breaks down. They have different Python version, different nodes, and it's difficult to actually like transfer my workflow to them. So how it can be done in Remango?
Yeah, absolutely. So imagine that you fine-tuned this installation of Comfy, so everything's working with your workflows.
Mhm.
Your custom nodes, your models trained on your content, and you need to, let's say, share it with the teams. It's super easy. Normally, first step is that in the team settings, you invite your members via the email address, and once they create their identity in Remango, then you can invite them to the machine itself. We have a user section here. You click add, you select the user, you invite them, and you are sharing the workspace. So they can generate on the same setting as you are working.
Okay, that's cool. Um, One more question. So what if I need to use some other tools than Comfy? Because we are talking around Comfy a lot right now, but in some work I need to use one trainer to train Marloras or Invoke or even some other non-AI software. Actually, can I use your platform for that?
Yeah, as we are not running in the Comfy UI itself or the tools in the containers, we are running on full featured like operating system. So it means that you can install literally anything on that, including like the Maya, Unreal Engine, Blender, or whatsoever, and you can create like all the pipeline. and all the workflows, So, for example, from ComfyUI to Blender, from Blender to Unreal Engine, to create a game, for example, And it's pretty easy because you can access your computer via the browser or specialized client. So I connect from the client to it, and you use your identity, and you can see that, okay, oh, this is the terminal with the last picture I generated, and yeah, you're good to go. So this is your environment. You can install whatever.
Okay.
And
Yep.
once installed, you can create another template from that for your studio.
And I can again share it with my colleagues.
Absolutely. Then they can start their own environment from something you have created. You can have
Okay.
multiple versions of that, everything. And if you need to, let's say, imagine that you are an artist and you need to install some, let's say, other tools on the machine, but you don't know how. But what you can do, you can copy the link, to your like live session. You can share it with your colleague, and they can log in into the live session together with you, and they can help you to set it up remotely.
Okay. So something like a team viewer for ComfyUI.
It's integrated in that, yes.
Nice. I
Not
like it.
Teamweaver, something better, I would say.
Okay. Okay. Got it. And last question. So where is all this running? What you are showing me? Is it some, like public environment, or actually where it's all hosted?
Actually, not. We are running on top of AWS, but all your setup, all your studio, what you are seeing here is running in your AWS account. In AWS account you own, and you have a keys from that. So no public service, nothing like that. Your data are in your cloud environment, and everything like soft from the security perspective, I would say.
Okay. Sounds good. What should I do if I want to start?
You go to rimangu.com, you click sign up, and you are good to go.
Nice. Okay. Thanks a lot, Dan.
You're welcome.
Take care.
Take care. Ciao.